यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्.
O Arjuna, I am also that which is the seed of all beings. There is no being moving or unmoving that can exist without me. So, I am the seed of all beings. When he says, he doesn't mean literally seed. Because if it is a seed, like a mango seed for instance, a mango seed can come into existence, how? From another mango tree. Here, when he says, I am the seed of all beings, he means he has caused the universe. There is some entity out of which the universe has come into being, which has no cause. Okay? How can that be? A cause that does not have a cause is non-existent, cannot be. So what he means is, it's not a direct cause as in mango tree, seed producing a mango tree. He means in the sense that when you go out into the desert and you see this vast expanse of sand, suddenly at a particular angle, because of the play of light, you see water. And the hungrier, the thirstier you are, the more water you see. You see water there and you rush out towards it. And then suddenly you find there's no water. There's only sand. Where did the water come from? The sand. Are? Yeah, correct. It really did not come from the sand. It is an illusion. It's an optical illusion. So, the sand can say, I am the seed of the water. I am the creator of the water. But it has not really created water. It is, when you don't see the sand as sand, you see it as water. So, similarly, this world that we see, this wonderful universe, this fantastic, vast expanse of things and beings, chara, achara is an idiomatic construction. This came out of Brahman, but not in the way that a mango tree comes out of a mango seed. It is the non-apprehension of Brahman, it is the non-understanding of Brahman that created the misapprehension of the universe. So I am the seed of all beings. There is no being moving or unmoving that can exist without me. It's like gold saying all ornaments come out of me. No ornament can exist without me. Gold can say that, right? So that's what he's saying here. Earlier he spoke of manifestations. Now he's slowly taking us to the source. And the next 3 verses he says, I exist beyond the universe. 40.